how to play games on a Philips Smart TV. So considering you don't have a console or something like that, what you can do actually, I discovered this recently, you can go to apps here. If your TV looks like mine, we can just go to apps and you will see the different categories. So we have videos, we have sports, news, music, and if you scroll down or scroll right, you will see games as well. Now, once we select this, you will actually see a list of pre-built-in games here on the Philips TV. Now, it's not going to be anything, amazing considering the software that is being run on this TV, but you can just open up any game here, and it's going to look like this. We can just click on open, and this will load up the game itself. Now, the games will be simple, like I just said. You will be able to see the controls here, how you can exit. So I'm gonna press 4 on my remote control. And basically you can do this for any game here that you want. As you can see, smartgames.tv. And that's how you do it. That's how you play games on the Philips TV. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.